Hi everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can install Discord on your Mac operating system. So this is pretty simple, and the first thing you want to search in your Google or your browser Discord download, and you want to open this official discord.com website so we can download it from here. And if you don't have account created yet on the Discord, you can basically click on this login icon in top right corner, and this will redirect you to this login page. And if you don't have account, you can click on this register button, and from here you can fill out all the details. And after you have account, we can click on this download for Mac, and this should start downloading the Discord DMG file or the installer. And after this is installed, the next step is you want to extract this into our apps folder. So my installer is installed. I'm gonna double click on it. And now the step, as I said, you need to drag this or extract this into your applications folder. So just drag it over here. And once you have this, we can find it over here. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to click on open. It's going to download all the required updates in order to run this. And after that, we can log in or sign in with our credentials. You will probably receive this keystroke receiving permission. So what I can do, I can click on this open system settings and I can allow this. And if you allow this, it will basically allow this input monitoring, which means, for example, if you have push to talk on your microphone, so whenever you push some button, your microphone will be activated. So this will allow Discord to detect that you press the button. You can enable it and then quit and reopen. So now once you have this allowed, you can just simply type your credentials and you can log into your Discord and you can start using Discord on your Mac. So this is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.